Welcome to the Girl Regional Championship. Today we bring you the 5th contest from the Ashanti region. This contest features Ahmadiyya Kumasi, Nsutaman Catholic Senior High School, Prempeh College, and Nsmq Senior High School. Let's meet the contestants. Ahmadiyya Kumasi is represented by
Masru Lukman, Abdullah Yakub,
Nsutaman Catholic Senior High School is represented by
Isaac Amwa, finally.
Obey Thomas.
Prempeh College is represented by
Amwati Echampong, Yaobwa Chukwati,
Finally, we have Nsmq Senior High School. They are represented by
Apanashama Imbobi, Avoka Sandra,
the Girl Regional Championship is proudly sponsored by GOL with support from Joy News. This is a primetime production. My name is Dr. Thelma Ohineje, a senior lecturer at the University of Ghana School of Pharmacy, Legon, and I'm your quiz mistress. Okay. So our competing schools. We'll have this contest in 4 rounds. We'll begin in round 1. In round 1, I would ask each school a series of questions. These questions are meant to test your knowledge of concepts in physics, biology, mathematics, and chemistry. If a question comes to your school as a main question, you have 10 seconds to give me an answer if there are no calculations, 30 seconds if there are calculations. If you answer your question correctly, you'll be awarded 3 points. If your answer is incorrect, another school can ring for that question as a bonus question. If they answer correctly, they'll be awarded 1 point. If the answer is incorrect, there's a penalty point of 1. Okay, is that good? Okay, best wishes to all the schools. Round 1. The round starts with a preamble to all the schools. In this round, I'll begin with Ahmadiyya Kumasi. An object is projected with speed u at an angle theta above level ground. An object is projected with speed u at an angle theta above level ground. Ahmadiyya, I want you to find the horizontal range of the object. If u equals 25 meters per second and theta equals 15 degrees, 15 degrees.
$31. 31.3 meters.
No. A bonus to Prempeh College.
31 meters.
No. Nsutaman. Find U if the horizontal range is 1.8 meters and theta equals 15 degrees, 15 degrees.
Six meters.
6 meters per second.
I'll take that. Prempeh College. Find the horizontal range of the object if U equals 15 meters per second, 15 meters per second, and theta equals 15 degrees. Go ahead.
11 meters.
That's correct. St. Monica's. Find the horizontal range of the object if U equals 12 meters per second and theta equals 30 degrees.
We have the answer to be 7.23 meters.
No.
First.
Okay. Prempeh College.
12 meters.
No. Okay. So for that St. Monica's question, I have the answer to be 13 meters. And then TIA mass, the answer was 32 meters. A preamble to all the schools. Find the remainder when the polynomial x cubed minus x squared minus 5x plus 6 is divided by, find the remainder when the polynomial x cubed minus x squared minus 5x plus 6 is divided by TIA mass x squared minus x minus 2.
Five.
No. Nsutaman Catholic.
The remainder is 0 or 11.
No. Nsutaman. X squared minus 4. Yes.
We have the remainder to be 4 and 11.
No. A bonus to Prempeh.
2 minus x.
That's correct. Prempeh. X squared minus 3x plus 2. Go ahead.
2 minus x.
That's correct. Saint Monica's. Saint Monica's. X squared plus x minus 2.
We have
A bonus to Prempeh.
2 minus x.
That's correct. A preamble. A carboxylic acid reacts with an alcohol to form an ester and water in a reversible reaction with an enthalpy change of plus 12 kilojoules per mole. I'll take that again. A carboxylic acid reacts with an alcohol to form an ester and water in a reversible reaction with an enthalpy change of positive 12 kilojoules per mole. This is the question to all the schools. Indicate one specific means by which the yield of the ester may be increased practically. Indicate one specific means by which the yield of the ester may be increased practically. I'll start with T.I. Amas.
By increasing the temperature of the system.
By
Increasing the temperature of the
that's
system.
correct. Nsutaman.
By decreasing the volume of the reacting vessel.
No. Prempeh.
By removing H2O molecules.
Yes, that's correct. For a split second, I had to remember that H2O is the same as water. Okay. Saint Monica's, your answer?
by increasing the pressure in the reaction.
No. Okay. So the yield of the ester can be increased by removing water, by removing the ester as it's being formed, increasing temperature, and then increasing either concentration of the reactant, so either carboxylic acid or the alcohol. Okay, another preamble, and I want you to listen to this carefully because I'm going to read it slowly. The following steps Describe stages in the life cycle of a mushroom from the diploid nucleus. Arrange the stages chronologically by mentioning the letter corresponding to the letter or the statement. I'll take either. Corresponding to the correct chronological stage. When it gets to your turn, I would explain this. I'll list a series of steps. They describe the life cycle of a mushroom in the diploid nucleus. So starting from Tiayamas, I want the first step. Then Nsutaman will give me the second step, Prempeh the third step, St. Monica's the fourth step. If Tiayamas doesn't give me the correct first step, Nsutaman, you should give me the first step. And then Prempeh will give the second, like that. So you give me the correct step after the correct step that has been given before you. Is that clear? To all of you. Are you good? Okay. So I'll take my time and read through the steps again. You can either tell me the letter that corresponds to the step or the statement. So A, 2 monokaryotic mycelia fuse. B, monokaryotic mycelia grow from spores. C, dikaryotic mycelia are formed. D, basidia are produced. E, a basidioma develops. F, a button is formed. G, basidiospores are produced. I'll read the steps again. Give them 30 seconds for this. A, 2 monokaryotic mycelia fuse. B, monokaryotic mycelia grow from spores. C, dikaryotic mycelia are formed. D, basidia are produced. E, a basidioma develops. F, a button is formed. G, basidiospores are produced. Tiayamas, the first step.
A.
That's correct. Nsutaman. So the first step is A. Nsutaman.
D.
No. Prempeh.
C.
No. Yes, St. Monica's. I can't hear you.
D.
No. So the steps are A, G, B, C, D, F, and then E. Okay. A preamble. A lens has focal length F. I'll take that again. A lens has focal length F. For object distance U, find the image distance and state its nature, given that a lens has focal length F. For an object distance U, find the image distance and state its nature, given that TIMS F equals 8.0 centimeters and U equals 12 centimeters.
The image distance is 24 centimeters and the image is virtual.
2 out of 3. So the image distance is right, but the image is real. Nsutaman, F equals 8.0 centimeters and U equals 6.0 centimeters. Go ahead.
The image distance is negative 24 centimeters and the image is virtual.
That's correct. Prempeh, F equals 25 centimeters and U equals 20 centimeters. Go ahead.
Negative 100 centimeters and it is virtual.
That's correct. St. Monica's, F equals 18 centimeters and U equals 24 centimeters.
We have the image distance to be 72 centimeters, and it is real.
Yes, it's correct. A preamble. Find the coordinates of the point D, x, y, such that A, B, C, D is a parallelogram given. Find the coordinates of the point D with point D, x, y, such that A, B, C, D is a parallelogram given TIMS A 1,3, B -2,5, and C 3, -2. A bonus to Prempeh.
6, -4.
That's correct. Nsutaman. A 3, -2. B -1,4. C 5, -3.
X is, okay, the coordinate is 9, -9.
That's correct. Prempeh. A -2,4. B 3,1, and C 4, -4. Go ahead.
-1, -1.
That's correct. St. Monica's. St. Monica's. A 2,5. B -2,4. C 3, -4.
We have 7, -3.
That's correct. TIMAS 1.56 grams of sodium sulfide, Na2S, is dissolved in 400 cm³ of solution. Determine the concentration of this solution. Go ahead.
The concentration is 0.315 mole per dm³.
No. You're telling me different things. Nsutaman.
We have 0.05 molar.
No. Okay, so before I rule, if you ring the bell, I won't allow you. I should have said no before you ring the bell. Okay? Nsutaman, your question. 18.8 grams of nitrous acid, HNO2, is dissolved in 500 cm³ of solution. Determine the concentration of this solution.
.8 mole per dm³.
No. A bonus to Prempeh.
0.800 mole per dm³.
No. Okay, Prempeh. 15.6 grams of calcium fluoride, CaF2, is dissolved in 800 cm³ of solution. Determine the concentration of this solution.
Zero 0.250 mole per dm³.
No. TIMAS.
0.25 mole per dm³.
Yes, that's right. St. Monica's. 14.0 grams of calcium oxide, CaO, is dissolved in 200.0 cm³ of solution. Determine the concentration of this solution. Into the microphone.
We have the concentration to be 0.0167 mole per DMQ.
No. Yes, Prempeh.
1.25 mole per DMQ.
That's correct. So, TI and mass, your answer was 0.50 mole per DMQ. And then, Nsutaman was 0.80 mole per DMQ. Prempeh was 0.25 mole per DMQ. Our last set of questions for this round. TI and mass. How is energy flow depicted in ecosystems? How is energy flow depicted in ecosystems? Go ahead.
Okay, due to the behavior or the niche of the organic.
No. Okay, no bonus. Okay. So it's by using ecological pyramids. In Nsutaman, what name is given to an ecological pyramid built using amount of organic material produced?
Pyramid of biomass.
Should I accept? Should I rule on the answer? I should move bonus. Okay, who should I give the bonus to? Okay, Prempeh College.
Pyramid of biomass.
That's correct. Prempeh. What name is given to an ecological pyramid built using how many organisms are produced? Go ahead.
Pyramid of numbers.
That's correct. Saint Monica's. What is the name given to the ecological pyramid that uses the flow of energy?
We have the pyramid of energy.
That's correct. That brings us to the end of round one.
Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Go Oil, good energy. Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Go Oil, good energy. Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Go Oil, good energy. Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Go Oil, good energy.
Okay, so there are a few protests here I'd like to address before we move on to round 2. So they border around the same issue, the significant figures, okay? So for the last set of chemistry questions I asked, okay. So I gave TIMS 1.56 grams of sodium sulfide dissolved in 400 cm³ of solution, and they were to determine the concentration. The answer they were to give me was 0.5, one significant figure. Somebody said 0.05, I didn't accept it. There was 0.50, I didn't accept because it's one significant figure, because I gave them 400 cm³. Same follows through. Nsutaman, I gave 500 cm³, so the answer is 0.8 mole per dm³. Prempeh, they said 0.2500, but it should have been 0.3 because I gave them 800 cm³. However, for the last school, that was 1.25 because they had 3 significant figures there, okay? Same for the physics. So the protest is from Prempeh about their answers, 31 and 12, and I think also from St. Monica's. So I just checked with them. They said they used 10 as the value for acceleration of gravity. So that should mean that they should report to one significant figure. So for the first question, they should have given me 30 meters. However, if they are calculated with 9.8, then the 31. But even that, it would have been 32. Same for the last answer. For the 12 meters they gave me, it should have been 10, since they calculated to one with acceleration due to gravity of 10. Okay, I hope that clarifies it. So that will mean that at the end of round 1, the scores are Nsutaman Catholic Senior High School, 7 points. TIMS Kumasi, 9 points. St. Monica Senior High School, 9 points. Prempeh College, 20 points. So there's a small issue I would have to address about the scores again, okay? Okay, so St. Monica said I didn't address their answer to the physics question. They gave me the answer in a third form, 7.2 root 3. That still doesn't account for the significant figures, right? And if I wanted the answer, I would have said leave it in a third form. I wanted you to evaluate the full answer and give that to me, okay? So I would not accept that. Nsutaman has just drawn my attention to the fact that the chemistry questions, they actually gave an answer of 0.8, and I wrote it down. So I'd accept that answer, because that's the correct answer. So that would mean they can have their full mark since it's their major question. And then that bonus mark, we took penalty points from Prempeh, we would discard that. So that would change the scores. It would mean that at the end of round 1, the scores will be TI Amas Kumasi 9 points, St. Monica's SHS 9 points, Nsutaman Catholic SHS 10 points, and Prempeh College 21 points. Round 2. This round is a speed race, and here, each question that is read out to your school is open to all the schools at the same time. At any time, you can ring your bell and give me an answer. If your answer is correct, the first correct answer, 3 points. Second correct answer, 2 points. Third or fourth correct answer, 1 point. At any time, if your answer is incorrect, there's a penalty point of 1. When you ring your bell, it means you have an answer, okay? So you give me your answer promptly. Speed race, first question. Iodine, 123, has a half-life of 7.2 hours. What mass of an 11.2 gram sample will remain after 36 hours? Yes, Prempeh College.
2.24 grams.
No. Okay, I'll allow them right on the bill. Nsutaman.
We have 44.8 grams.
No. Why would you have more sample when time has passed? I gave you 11.2 grams of the sample, and I'm asking how much of it will remain. So 0.35 grams will remain. Okay. Magnetite, Fe3O4, can be converted into metallic ion by heating with carbon monoxide, producing carbon dioxide in the process. Given the atomic mass of iron as 56 grams per mole, what mass of iron is formed when 1 mole of magnetite is heated? Yes, Prempeh College.
168 grams.
That's correct. Determine the sum. Determine the sum of the oxidation states of phosphorus in H3PO4 and H3PO3. Prempeh College.
+8.
That's correct. If there's noise, they can't hear me. Solve for x, given log to the base 2 of the expression 2x plus 1 equals log to the base 2 of the expression x minus. Go ahead.
There is no real solution for x.
No, there is. So I'll continue. So equal to log to the base 2, bracket open, x minus 1, bracket closed, St. Monica's.
We have the value of x to be 3.
No, plus 2. Bracket close, plus 2. Yes, Prempeh College.
X is equal to 5 on 2.
That's correct. Find the gradient of the implicit curve x squared plus 2xy minus y squared equals. Go ahead.
The gradient is negative 2x minus 2y.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear. Start again.
Okay, the gradient is a fraction with the numerator negative 2x minus 2y, and the denominator is negative 1 plus 2x.
No. Equals 15. Yes, Prempeh.
dy over dx is equal to a fraction with numerator negative x minus y and denominator x minus y.
No. I would allow him to come out. Nsutaman. Oh, okay, St. Monica, sorry.
We have the gradient to be dy dx is equal to a fraction with numerator x minus y all over y minus x.
No. Nsutaman.
We have a fraction with numerator x plus y and denominator y minus x.
That's
is
correct.
equal.
Were you going to say something else? What were you going to say?
It's equal to dy dx.
Evaluate. Bracket open. Sine 47 degrees, cos 15 degrees. Yes. Nsutaman.
Okay. We have 1 over 2.
No. Nobody. Minus cos 47 degrees, sine 15 degrees, bracket closed, over cos 58. See I am math.
Root 3 on 2.
No. Okay, over cos 58 degrees. Yes, Prempeh.
1.
That's correct. Find the maximum charge a 10 millifarad capacitor can store when it is connected in series with a 50. Go ahead.
We have 500 millicoulomb.
No. With a 50 ohm resistor and a 12 volt battery. Yes, Prempeh.
120 millicoulomb.
An object is released from rest above a horizontal surface. Find the height from which the object was released if it first rebounds to a height of 18 meters, and the coefficient of restitution between the object and the surface is 0.3. Go ahead.
200 meters.
That's correct. The vacuum wavelength. Find the vacuum wavelength of a photon of frequency 5.0 times 10 to the power 13 hertz. Go ahead.
6.0 by 10 to the power -6 meters.
That's correct. Name two other groups of organisms, so two, that can be infected by the Plasmodium parasite, apart from mammals. Prempeh.
Birds and amphibians.
No. Okay, so it's birds and reptiles. Birds and reptiles. Okay. By what process is the sourness of Banku achieved?
Fermentation.
That's correct, fermentation. What name is given to substances that cause allergies? TIMAS.
Allergens.
That's correct. That brings us to the end of round 2. Before we go on to round 3, there's a protest from Prempeh College. So in the maths question, the second question, I asked the schools to find the gradient of an implicit function. So the answer Prempeh gave me and the answer Nsutaman gave me are actually equivalent. And since Prempeh's answer was first, I would accept that answer. That brings the scores at the end of round 2 to St. Monica's Senior High School, 7 points. Nsutaman Catholic Senior High School, 8 points. T.I. Amas Kumasi, 13 points. Prempeh College, 37 points. Before we go on to round 3, T.I. Amas would like Ahin to come on for Yakubu. Round 3. In this round, I'll make a series of statements to each school. And I want you to tell me if the statement I make is true or false. If you answer correct, you'll be awarded 2 points. If your answer is incorrect, there's a penalty point of 1. If you are bailed out, another school can ring for your question and answer for the same rules. 2 if the answer is correct, minus 1 if the answer is incorrect. And in this round, I'll begin with Nsutaman. A preamble. If A on B, A over B equals C over D, then if A over B equals C over D, then Nsutaman, A plus B over bracket open, C plus D, bracket closed, equals A over B. So the C plus D is the numerator of just B. So A plus a fraction with numerator B and denominator C plus D equals A over B. Go ahead.
False.
Yes, it's false. Prempeh, the expression A plus C over the expression B plus D equals C over D.
True.
Yes, it's true. St. Monica's, the expression A minus C over the expression B minus D equals A over B.
We have false.
No, it's true. T.I. Amas, AD over BC, AD over BC equals 1. Yes, it's true.
put it. True.
The answer in the microphone.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
True. True. True.
Hello. Hello. T.
Hello. Hello.
Of carbon 12 is larger than that of carbon 14.
True.
No, it's false. Prempeh, the atomic radius of carbon 14 is larger than that of carbon 12.
False.
Yes, it's false. St. Monica's, carbon 14 forms the backbone of many organic compounds.
It's a true statement.
No. TIMAS, carbon 12 and carbon 13 are both stable isotopes of carbon.
False.
No, it's true. In Nsutaman, cocoa originates from Fernando Po.
False.
Yes, it's false. Prempeh, cocoa was first cultivated in the eastern region in Ghana. Yes.
False.
Hey. It's true. Prempeh, where was cocoa first grown in Ghana? Which city? You don't know. St. Monica's. Chocolate is the only product from cocoa. Chocolate is the only product from cocoa.
It's a false statement.
Yes, it's false. Here I am at. White chocolate is made from cocoa butter. Yes.
False.
No, it's true. Okay. A preamble. A 20-centimeter long solenoid wound. No, I'll take that again. A 20-centimeter long solenoid wound with 200 turns in a single layer carries a current of 20 amperes. Each coil that constitutes a turn of the solenoid is circular. I'll take that again. A 20-centimeter solenoid wound with 200 turns in a single layer carries a current of 2 amperes. Each coil that constitutes a turn of the solenoid is circular. In Nsutaman, adjacent coils of the solenoid attract each other magnetically.
False.
No, it's true. Prempeh College. Opposite segments of the same coil attract each other magnetically. Go ahead.
False.
Yes, it's false. St. Monica's. The closer a pair of coils are, the greater the magnetic attraction between them.
We have, it's a false statement.
No, it's true. TIMS. Opposite segments of the same coil exert no magnetic force on each other.
True.
No, it's false. In Nsutaman,